Hey guys, Ollie here with Local Knowledge, and today I want to talk to you about sort of one of the unsung heroes of the boat that we never seem to talk about, and that's this guy. This guy is the control station for the whole boat. This is where all the rigging happens, all those flying fish, bottom rigs, everything. When I bought the boat, I was looking for somewhere to be able to operate. And with this style of boat, I've got a back-to-back seat, so I don't really have a pull-out rigging station. And in past boats, I've kind of stolen this idea from Russia and the Florida guys. I've put these raised cutting boards in. Man, I can't say enough how this is the way to go. It's much more of a Florida thing than it is a California thing, because we typically have a bait tank in the center of the boat. But if you have a setup like mine that doesn't have a center well, this absolutely is the way to go for me. This is custom built. As you can see, they even put the name of the boat in there. I tried not to even clean it up so you guys could see what this thing looks like after a few days of fishing. I've had it on the boat for 2 years. It is pretty well worn, beat up, but I use it every single day. This is our catch-all, our rigging station. It holds my bait knife. You got Diamond Dave's freaking fish spike here. He uses this to dispatch the fish. We've got sinkers in here. We've got flying fish rigging stuff. We've got leaders. We got rigs, cleaning brush, anything you can think of. This is kind of our junk drawer catch-all. And of course we use it to cut fish on. We use it to rig flying fish on, everything. These things are killer. If you don't have one, I would highly suggest looking into it. This one here is made by Serviex. It's a dude that I ran into on the internet. If you go on a couple of the forums, everybody says he is the guy to make these. Joe Hell over there could not have been easier to work with. I told him the specs I wanted. I wanted cup holders, Modelo holders, to be up top here. We wanted to have the 2 slits for our tools. We got pliers and all that in. I wanted a measuring board for making sure those fish are the right size. Anything you want, pretty much anything you can dream of, this guy can make it into a cocktail table, a rigging station, whatever. If you haven't seen these before, give him a look. You can find him on Instagram under Serviex CNC. And you see the logo right here. Great piece of equipment, something we use every single day, and is absolutely an unsung hero of this boat. Hope you dig checking out my rigging station here, and if you like this kind of content, please give us a follow. If you've got a better setup or you want to see something else, let us know. Leave us a comment. Your comments are what shape the future of these videos. Thanks so much for checking us out today.